Hello guys, welcome to my channel Debarati Speaks. I am Debarati Bhattacharya and today I am back with another episode of Let's Talk About It, and today we will talk about Aspirants. So finally the 5th episode of Aspirants aired on YouTube, and this is the best web series of this year till date, and of course one of the best web series I've seen so far. TVF always brings to you web series or shows that you can actually relate to in real life, and Aspirants is one such show. Like, as a tagline says, pre's, mains and life. And the aspirants of UPSC, they surely would be able to relate to this show. The amount of sacrifice, amount of hard work that goes into preparing for the exams or any such competitive exam, the aspirants just put their heart and soul into it. Some qualify, some don't, some become IAS and some don't. But the journey, the hard work that goes into the preparation, we know mostly that is not acknowledged because only a few of the people qualify. But the journey in itself should be praised and should be cherished. And the show, the last episode ended in such a well note. I mean, it was just a cherry on the cake. From the very first episode, I was pretty sure this was going to turn out to be one of the best again, as TVF always does. But I just wanted to wait for the final episode and then I wanted to give out a review. All the characters were so believably portrayed as in any other TVF web series, and I was just delighted. And this, for the first time, I will not disclose any of the characters or anything. I will just tell you, if you have not watched Aspirants, then what are you doing? Just go and watch it. I loved it. And just TVF, just keep doing the good work and just keep bringing such relatable web series for us. It was an awesome experience watching. And also the music, oh my god, what a beautiful music. And Sandeep Bhaiya, you are just love. The characters, they will stay with you after you finish the show. And hats off to TVF for making such a beautiful series. I think I can incorporate Aspirants in my top 10 web series list, and I am looking forward to anything next by TVF, and I'm actually truly grateful to TVF. I think so many people are for telling our story. Aspirants is our story. Kota Factory is our story. So all these stories of common people that we can actually relate to, thank you for telling our stories. Thank you for acknowledging this hard works, the tiresome preparations, the process that goes into preparing for the examinations. Thank you. Thanks a lot, TVF. And I am actually looking forward to watching more such series from you. And for more updates like this, stay tuned to my channel, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Do it, it's free. And why I'm decked up today, you will get to know tomorrow. Bye.